What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're going to unbox the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Zebra colorway. So as you guys know, this is the Zebra colorway of the very popular Yeezy Boost 350 V2 model from Kanye West's Adidas Yeezy line. This originally released in 2017 in February and later in June. And as you guys know, Kanye West and Adidas are bringing them back in mass quantities in November. And we'll talk a little bit about what to expect from Kanye West and Adidas Yeezy in 2019. So again, the zebra nickname is pretty obvious. As you can see, there is a white and black zebra-like print on the upper. On the medial side, it's less of a uniform striping. It's more of this curvatured sort of pattern that first debuted in the Beluga colorway of 2016. What makes this Yeezy so distinct is that the upper Supply 350 lettering is not only in red, but it's reverse on both shoes. And that's kind of been an inconsistent thing with the 350 V2s, the direction of the lettering. But one thing we do know that is that the 2017 pair as well as the 2018 pair will feature the same direction of the Supply 350 lettering. It's going to be reversed pretty much. But what we do notice is that the only thing that's different between the 2017 pair and the 2018 pair is this. And that's the color of the sole. Clearly here, it's a little bit more yellowed and more of a cream kind of tone. You know, even the triple whites in 2017 were nicknamed the cream colorway, whereas the one that dropped in 2018 was the triple white colorway. But even compared with the Boost cushion, you can definitely see that the sole has a slightly yellower tint to it. But besides that, the 2018 and the 2017 version is pretty much the same. Only thing to look out for is the sole. And the shoes again dropped in Europe on November 9th and will be releasing in the US on November 16th. So these will not really be limited. That doesn't mean that they're going to be easy to cop. They won't really sit on shelves like the Mauve 700s did. Still a really clean shoe, even if the resale prices have gone down. And you guys have now seen across the board that, you know, a lot of the Yeezys are going down in resale value only because they're just making more pairs. And, you know, Kanye West, as everyone has pretty much, echoed his comments of Yeezys being available for everyone. With that comes dropping resale prices. So we don't expect the resale prices for these to go too high. Expect them to probably be around the 350 range, which is kind of where the blue tints are sitting at, and where like the butters, slightly higher than the butters, but we digress. Lots of Yeezys coming this holiday season. Of course, the triple white dropped in September, the mauves dropped in October. You have this in early November, then you have another 350 V2 dropping on Black Friday known as the Sesame Colorway. And then at the end of November, you have the fourth overall colorway of the 500s known as the Salt. And that's not even including what's dropping in December. December has a bunch of other Yeezys coming. And we do know that in 2019, Kanye is going to drop a basketball shoe, a crazy 451 Yeezy shoe. So there's definitely a lot in store for the Adidas Yeezy brand. Remains to be seen if it'll be appealing to the entire market, considering Kanye's recent, behavior on social media and his political stances and statements and things of that nature. But, with this particular release, this is the 2017 pair. The 2018 pair, the only thing to look out for, once again, is the all-white sole. We personally think the all-white sole looks better than the yellow one. Thanks for watching. If you need to know exactly where to cop them on November 16th, check the links below. We'll have full store lists and info and things of that nature. Again, subscribe if you get a chance, and we'll catch you in the next video.